Hello there, Dot fans. Simon here from the World of Wall Street. I hope you are well. Let's go straight into this one. Polkadot. Okay, so we previously, in a few days back, or maybe even last week actually, time is flying, put in these two yellow structured lines here. These were indicators for previous resistance and support lines back when we had the original cycle uplift. Now, the reason I put these two purple areas in here was I was anticipating that because of this fantastic rise we've had since the 21st July from about $12 up to pretty much nearly 30, which is a fantastic return. Even some people at the double mark would have been fantastically happy with that, and I guess that's why we had a bit of a sell-off here. But the momentum continued upwards. I think people were wanting to push that to that 30. It couldn't quite get to the bang on 30 mark. But what I would say here is we've broken today this support line of 24. Now hopefully we will come back upwards so that we can match these two areas here. If we don't and this candle stays as it is, we could start seeing a bit more of a bearish momentum, and that's why I've got these purple boxes here. Not financial advice, but these could be good areas for potential buy-ins. I do this slightly above the lines because I always believe in psychological impacts. So I think if you're at the sort of bottom area, you could top out like maybe 2194. In this kind of area as well, you might see a dip down below this line, which is always saying that you could potentially get two areas between the 20. Now, it could potentially come down to this area, which would be extremely depressing because of all the hard work we've done here. But that would also anticipate a potential 50% reduction, which we do see in some major corrections as we go along. It's hopefully something that we don't see too much of, but it has happened many a time. So we just need to be cautious of that and anticipate that when we're in a bearish momentum, this can happen. But I'm hoping that one of these two is going to bounce it back off. Hopefully it's this one up here. We'll have to see. So the next 48 hours, I would say, are really important to see which way we are going. The MACD has crossed over. Hopefully that doesn't last too much longer. And the reason I'm saying hopefully is because, of course, I want everyone to have a nice positive momentum for Polkadot. But we are in a crypto market space here. Corrections are needed to keep the projects healthy, to keep the assets on the charts healthy as well. And you've got to anticipate people have to take profits. So it's all understandable. It's nothing to panic about. It's a reduction in people making money, which is a great thing. And then by doing so, it gives you the opportunity to purchase at lower prices. When you think you may have missed out on one pops up, and then it's up to you whether you take advantage of that or not. We're not financial advisors. Everyone's got their own strategy and thoughts. So it's just something to think about for sure. RSI here is very similar to most of the charts elsewhere at the moment. Slap bang in the middle. It's very much either way it could happen. The momentum lines are shifting downwards, but anything can happen. If we hit a support level, if bulls start coming in and pushing those lines, anything can happen. So I'm just keeping positive, trying to keep positive in my mind, and for you guys that will happen. But for those that want to get lower prices, of course, saying, no, Simon, what are you talking about? No, I want it to come down so I can buy more of it. Guys, this is what it's about. It's fun, and everyone's got various opportunities at different levels to take advantage of it. And I wish everyone the best of luck, as always, including myself, of course. So that kind of wraps up Dot, guys. There's no major kind of updates from Polkadot in general. So we will do an update in a few days' time and keep track of that. Anything critical happens, whether it be chart related or project related, we will let you know. So if you found this informative, please do like the video and please subscribe if you've not done so already. And we'll see you in the next chart. Thanks, guys, and we'll see you soon.